Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn off sleep mode on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off sleep mode on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings icon. Now click on System. In left pane, you will find Power and Sleep. Click on Power and Sleep. Here, you will find 4 options on Power and Sleep. Under Screen, on battery power. Now 10 minutes is set. Just click on the drop down and scroll down. Select Never. Then when plugged in, turn off after. Again, click on the drop down and select Never. Under Sleep, on battery power, click on the drop down and select Never. And when plugged in also, click on the drop down and select Never. This is the easiest way to turn off sleep mode on Windows 10 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.